Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of butternut squash. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the countless health benefits that this humble veggie brings to the table. From boosting your immune system to supporting your heart health, butternut squash is about to become your new wellness ally. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just curious about the magic that butternut squash holds, join us as we slice, dice, and explore the vibrant world of nutrition, flavor, and well-being. Grab your apron, and let's embark on a culinary adventure that's not only delicious but also incredibly nourishing. It's time to uncover the untold benefits of butternut squash and embrace a healthier, more vibrant you. Firstly, butternut squash is like a golden ticket to a stronger immune system, packed with vitamin A. It's your body's armor against infections. Vitamin A helps maintain the health of your skin and mucous membranes, forming a first line of defense against invading germs. Did you know that vitamin A also plays a role in the production of white blood cells? These are the heroic defenders that stand guard against viruses and bacteria. By keeping your white blood cell army strong, butternut squash empowers your body to fight off unwanted invaders. What's important, butternut squash is your heart's best friend, thanks to its rich potassium content. Potassium plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. By regulating fluid balance and relaxing blood vessels, it helps prevent strain on your heart and keeps your cardiovascular system ticking smoothly. But that's not all. Butternut squash brings a fiber boost to the table. Fiber is like a broom for your arteries, helping to sweep away excess cholesterol and keeping your blood vessels clear. This means lower risk of cholesterol buildup and a heart that's grateful for the love. Loaded with vitamins like A and C, butternut squash adds extra layers of heart-loving goodness. Vitamin A supports the health of blood vessels and heart tissues, while vitamin C aids in collagen formation, contributing to the elasticity of blood vessels and overall cardiovascular health. Let's not forget the omega-3 fatty acids in butternut squash. These healthy fats support heart health by reducing inflammation and promoting smooth blood flow. They're like a soothing balm for your cardiovascular system. Hey beauty seekers, butternut squash isn't just good for your taste buds, it's a treat for your skin too. Thanks to its hefty dose of vitamin C and antioxidants, this veggie plays a role in collagen production, promoting youthful and radiant skin. Let's not forget about our digestive harmony. Butternut squash brings a hearty dose of dietary fiber to the table. This friendly fiber acts like a gentle broom for your digestive tract, helping to keep things moving smoothly. Whether roasted, pureed, or turned into soup, butternut squash is easy on your stomach. Its natural richness in nutrients makes it a gentle option for those with sensitive digestive systems. If you're looking for comfort that's both tasty and soothing, butternut squash is your go-to. If you're no stranger to bloating, butternut squash might become your new best friend. Its combination of fiber and water content helps reduce bloating and discomfort, ensuring you feel light and energized. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But the benefits don't stop there. Butternut squash is here to keep your peepers happy. Loaded with beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, it supports optimal eye health, potentially reducing the risk of age-related vision problems. The macula, a part of your retina, plays a crucial role in central vision. The antioxidants in butternut squash help maintain macular health, supporting your ability to read, drive, and recognize faces, all those precious moments that make life vibrant. Now let's talk about its bone-boosting power. Butternut squash may not be dairy, but it still brings a calcium boost to the table. Calcium is a key player in maintaining bone density and strength. Magnesium is another bone-loving nutrient found in butternut squash. This mineral works hand in hand with calcium, helping it to be properly utilized by your body. Together, they support bone health and contribute to maintaining a sturdy skeletal framework. Butternut squash also offers a dose of vitamin K, a nutrient essential for bone health. Vitamin K helps regulate calcium metabolism, ensuring that calcium is deposited in your bones and teeth rather than your arteries. Lastly, if you're on a wellness journey, butternut squash is your flavorful ally. Its low-calorie and high-fiber content contribute to a feeling of fullness, making it a perfect addition to your weight management plan. And there you have it, the fantastic health benefits of butternut squash in all their nutritional glory. Whether you're roasting, pureeing, or enjoying it in soups, each bite is a step towards nourishing your body and embracing a healthier you. Let's celebrate the incredible potential of butternut squash and keep our pantry stocked with wellness. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.